Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel The Intellect Zone. So this is the 8th video, or rather the 7th chapter of our O-Level Computer Science lecture series. In order to get a better understanding about our O-Level Computer Science lecture series, make sure to go and watch the O-Level Computer Science introduction video that we have uploaded in our YouTube channel. So without any more further delays, let's top into the 7th chapter. So the 7th chapter is named High and Low Level Languages. In this chapter, we will be going through some important concepts within a short time frame. The first question that we face in this chapter is the question, what is a computer program? Well, a computer program is a list of instructions that enable a computer to perform a specific task. Computer programs are written with the use of high or low level languages. The language to be used depends on several factors. Let us now go through each one of these two types of languages. The first type of language is the high-level language. A high-level language is a programming language that enables the development of a program in an user-friendly manner. High-level languages are considered to be portable languages due to its ease in access. These languages are easy to read, understand, write, debug and maintain. There are many types of high-level languages. You can see few of them down below. Let us now talk about low-level languages. Low-level languages are languages that sit close to the computer's instruction set. These languages are considered to be programming languages that provides little or no abstraction of programming concepts and is very close to writing actual machine instructions. Moreover, low-level languages are separated onto two types. Let us now go through these two types. The first type is the assembly language. An assembly language is a low-level programming language in which there is a very strong correspondence between the instructions in the language and the architecture's machine code instructions. These types of languages make use of special hardware and special machine-dependent instructions. Moreover, these type of languages are used to write code that does not take much space and performs a task very quickly. Well, this is a general understanding about this type of language. The next type of low-level language is machine code, or rather machine language. Machine code is a low-level programming language consisting of machine language instructions used to control a computer's central processing unit. These type of languages are complicated and difficult to understand. Well, this is a thorough explanation about the two types of low-level languages. Now let us talk about translators and the types of translators. A translator is used to translate a program into machine code, so that the computer can understand. There are three types of translators. The first type is the compiler. A compiler translates a high-level language program into machine code. At the end of this translating process, an executable file of machine code is produced. One high-level language statement can be translated into several machine code instructions. Compiled programs are used without the computer. The next type of translator is the interpreter. An interpreter executes a high-level language program a statement at a time. No executable file of machine code is produced at the end of this process. One high-level language program statement may require several machine code instructions to be executed. Interpreted programs cannot be used without the interpreter. The last type of translator is the assembler. An assembler translates a low-level language program into machine code. At the end of this translating process, an executable file of machine code is produced. One low-level language statement is translated into one machine code instruction. Assembled programs can be used without the assembler. Well, this is a thorough explanation about the three types of translators. So we have successfully ended the 7th chapter within a short time frame. We were able to cover all the topics under this chapter within a short time period. If you need to download notes for this chapter, or rather the subject and many more others, make sure to check out our website. The link is there down below. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned and enjoy your presence in this intellectual zone.